The horsepower of the Jeep Wrangler cars varies between 272 to 380. Let's enjoy the production of these 4x4 sport utility vehicles. This is the vast manufacturing unit of the Jeep. First, the 2.0-litre four-cylinder engine is assembled on the chassis. Then the body is attached to the chassis. The car is sent to the following station. Next, the lifting device installs the battery pack in the car. The comfortable seats are set in place. The car roof is attached using a lifting device. Now it is time to add the wheels and fix them to the car. The doors are installed and checked. Finally, the car is ready to face all off-road conditions with its tough solid axle suspension.